We're going to do a brief video on MSFT stock, Microsoft stock analysis. We've got a daily chart up here of Microsoft for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. You can see the stock's been in a deep bear market for many months. Its most recent decline was started August 16th, but it's been in a bear market all the way back here since the spring of 2022. And what we're looking at now is a kind of a continuation of that bear market. The stock has come down here, put a low in at 232.73 on the 30th of it looks like the 30th of September, and then we're getting a really aggressive rally. That 232 in just a few short days is now $250 for a high today. The stock's up today. Microsoft is up almost $8, up 3%. And it's trading currently at $2.48 at about 4 p.m., just before 4 p.m. on Tuesday the 4th. So the fact of the matter is this is a short covering rally. This is just people covering their short positions. We did get a price now that's above, looks like it's going to close above the 20-day. It's definitely above the 5-day, but still below the 200-day moving average. So we still have a bear market stock here, and you can see it did something similar here back in early September, a very sharp rally, and then a continued sell-off. We're getting a very interesting gap here. This is almost certainly short covering, as I said. I think it's going to be a short-lived rally. We may get a little bit higher. We could even get to 255. I don't think it's going to go much higher than that. It might. It's hard to say, but what we're going to eventually get is this falling back, because there's no serious buyer stepping up here. You need this kind of choppy action to establish a decent rally, usually, especially in a stock like Microsoft. So I think we'll get this to fall back here in the next couple days, maybe a week, to the low, to mid 230s, probably 235-ish, and then we'll see if we get some serious buyers stepping up in here, picking the bottom. I do believe, again, this is just short cover, and I think it's going to be very short-lived. Is it going to continue on down like it did previously? That's a whole nother question. This is late in the game for this stock to still be in a bear market, late in the cycle. It's too early to say, but as you can see, when you stretch it together like this, push it together like this, stock's in a deep bear market. There's just no questioning that. So look for this stock to put in a slightly more rally, maybe to as high as 255 at the most, in my opinion, and then to drop back down, in my opinion, to 235 to 240. Looking for support. We need to get this stock price up above the 5-day moving average, up above the 20-day moving average, and we need to get some crossways movement in here for at least a couple weeks to get some serious buyers in here to begin to push the stock up, if that's going to happen. If this does not happen, if this price breaks down and stays down like it did here, below the 20-day moving average in the longer term, say the next week, then we're probably still just going to continue our bear market down. But we have to wait and see what happens. Let's take a look and see what RBAM says about this stock. Looks like Microsoft, for our algorithmically generated non-trend following system, has no entry prices today, so we missed that move. Let's take a look and see what it says for the trend following system. This is algorithmically generated trend following. It said it's shorted today at 241.61 Now that's below where it traded today, and that's a very important point. To short does not mean short at any price. It means to short at the price listed, and of course all of this is for entertainment purposes only. You have to use your own analysis. But the price in and of itself is an indicator of whether you should short. So it's not short at any price today. It's short if the market hits this price. And again, you have to use your own analysis, but that's the way this system is designed. The fact of the matter is it's not a short unless it hits this price, and it did not do that today. So that's just part of the way this algorithm is built. Again, this is a 30-day hold. The other one is available in 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. But again, you have to do your own analysis, follow your own judgment. This is for entertainment purposes only. You can get access to everything we have on here for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. No cost, no credit card required, absolutely free. Just head over there, you put your email address in, and get access to them every morning before 7 a.m. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a great comment you want to leave us, we'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including my commentary and our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should always trade using your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.